Welcome back to another video, people. What's going on? Today, people, we are out and about. We are out and around. I look cleany, but I just hold a fresh swim, not a fish swim. Yeah, me a lot of beer mad this, you know. Yeah, man, a fresh trim. Yeah, that is it. So today, people, I am out and about. Today, me I go on a camping trip. Me I go link up with Drizzy, the Walking TV family. You see me? So today we are go on a camping trip. We go camp out for like 3 days. Some want to lock in for this, you know, people. And remember, say if I see a spot where I can go throw my line and catch 2 fish, I go do that. I drive right now, so and I talk too, you know. And I hope me not see no police. You see me? But yeah. So we are go on a camping trip. I go link them up. We are going to Montego Bay now, Galtigo Bay. You don't know, say a hot spot that. So over there, so we are go right here. Over there, so we are go link them up, you know, and we are go build our vibes. As me say, it's a 3-day camping. Alright? So no lock in. Video for days, you know. 3-day water camping video. Alright? Go easy. We catch you when we reach down there and we'll link up with the general them. Alright? As a fisherman, no. As a camper man, camping, we are camping. Outside, like, no. If you don't believe, ask God. So yo, we on the grade 6 bars there. We got people them not 6 bars.
How we are back?
We don't know who. So yeah, people reach Mobile now and we'll link up with Drizzy them. So we have 6 bars, the one and only 6 bars. The girl them 6. What you say? Big up the people them for me now. Highly. So here are people, we are head out to the river, you know. So no go and lock in. Cause it's gonna be a vibe. It's gonna be wicked. Can you see from 6 there? And girl there. Big up yourself, you know. So we are outside. So no go and watch what I'm going, alright? Alright, so we're there, people. We just reached a camping ground. And we have the one and only.
Hello.
1 red chips. Look no man. Look nice though. Alright, so Bingi down there so set up in tent. Because to go down a Bingi. We're there on the riverside today, you know. Go looking at Bingi house. Bingi!
Oh, yeah.
We are pass through your house. What are going?
Yeah, man.
Bingi has set up his house right there, so.
This is right.
So then sweep it out.
Yeah, man.
Look good now, man.
So, man.
It's a family tent, this, you know.
You know, sir. A family tent without a family.
What you say, all I go?
It's a family tent without a family.
Yes,
I 2 girls coming at tonight.
Yes, you must find 2 girls put in here tonight.
Man. I mean, name, you know.
1 Bingi man, 1 professor.
I am blessed.
So there are people, so I'm going to set up my tent soon. I don't even know which one I put mine on yet. But I'm go and lock in for that, alright? We're out here like now. One Drizzy boss.
Camping.
Ever behind the camera.
Stay tuned. It's gonna be a banger. Fully active.
Fully. Outside like now. If you don't believe, ask God. We're there. But you can't chop jelly overall. It don't matter like you can't chop jelly, so. All them Bingi.
You can't chop it with this knife, yeah?
Oh, you can't chop it with that knife there.
No, with this knife.
Oh.
Big man. Come on, right.
See food them up on spot. Them banana look like a soft banana, them Bingi. What type of yam this?
Renta.
Renta yam, soft yam. Some jelly on the spot. So Bingi eat healthy, you know.
Need to tell you.
Healthy living. That is it, man.
Yeah, man. Camping today, you know. So, have to eat off of the land, you know.
Yeah. That is it. So which part you sleep?
I can put my tent down on this one, because my tent small, you know. But I like a round and not like that.
And a family tent you have?
I don't like a round small one.
Or one man tent?
No, man, three man can't go in, but when I like a small round one. Quick tent.
Oh, so you're not putting nobody in there tonight?
Body? No, man, anyway, when you want to find body, you go up a cemetery, up a ambulance, up a hospital. Where body are in my tent.
So you're not putting a girl in your tent tonight?
No, I don't walk on with them kind of trouble behind me. I don't walk on with tail. I don't walk on with tail like with the people. I walk on with tail, and when the morning wake up, they want to cut off the tail and they can't cut it off.
Alright, sir.
Yes, sir. So I think so.
So you think said?
Yeah.
I hear that. But I feed my face with some banana bread too, you know. Hold on, I'm showing you the river before I cut though. I'm showing you the river. I probably can't throw my fishing line down in the river and say I catch a fish too, you know. But look down there. What's that? Music I play down there, so I can't go down there. But I just say rafting go on. You see it? But later on, I just we have spend 2 nights, sleep, be a girl down there going with things. Can't go down there yet, alright? So I go and lock in. I set up my tent town. Can see what go on. Red Chips there set up our house. One family tent.
Where do? Clip me down, clip you know.
Baby, calm down, man.
You have to clip you first and then straighten me.
It can't be like that. You can't sit on the top. Calm down, calm down.
So I hear 10, Danny. Year 10? Oh. So here people, me I go hold a beer there now down on the river in the night, yeah. Camping style, huh? Water cold down here, you know. Watch out. Say, guy, now when you come on camping trip, hold a beer. Right on the riverside. Look now, man. I couldn't see where I'm going. See me? Right, that's me a beard. So I'm not going to lock in. Done all I wash off and thing. And now me put on some clothes. Put on my shorts already and my underpants and my shirt. I go put on, you know, and head back up. Alright? So I'm going to lock in. Bingy there over here, so I go watch a movie. Big bed there in a tent. Where I say I set up for a movie.
I try to get some internet some connection, but
oh,
not working,
nah,
man.
work. Alright. So we're still there. We did boil some tea. We never get to show no. We never cook no food. See fireside there, so. Now I go on the bed.
I'm not time for bedtime.
Yes, on the bedtime.
I'm not food bedtime.
Call it a night, you know. I'm there in the car, asleep. I did bring one tent, but I not set up a tent and things. So probably tomorrow I set up a tent and go in a tent, go sleep. But tonight, I sleep in a car. Cause the tent, you know, I not have no bed or no soft cushion for sleep on. So I then in the back seat of the car. So we're there with Drizzy, Burke and the Walking TV family, Bingy, Six Boss, everybody, you see me? So we're there all our vibes as a fisherman. So when I did that be down in the river, I see some crayfish in the river, so I probably gonna try get some tomorrow night, cause tonight I'm tired. So probably tomorrow night I try get some and show no and cook as well. But tomorrow them I go do some cooking, alright? So me show no some of that and show no we gonna eat for breakfast and also for dinner. We not do no cooking tonight, cause every man tired. So people, this is just the beginning. So we're there upon a 4-day camping. You see me? So we're not going lock in for that. You don't know, probably if I see no spot where I can do no fishing, I go try that out. You see me? As a fisherman, but I know I go try get some crayfish tomorrow night. Alright, at least even one I catch him and cook him. Alright? So big up on yourself. Thanks for watching this video. Although it was short, but love, respect. Alright? Big up to Drizzy Burke and big up to Walking TV family. The whole family. Johnny, Bingy, Danny, Six Bass, Red Chips, everybody. Alright? Enough love and respect. See you in the next video. Alright? You don't want to miss it. So please subscribe. More video come. Alright? Little more.